Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there is a new version of Firefox. Firefox 153 is out today, July 21st, 2026. And if you go to your Firefox browser, upper right hamburger menu, you go to Help and About Firefox, it will bring you to 153.0, which is the latest version. In this version, there's a few little new features that are interesting. One of them is the fact that now you can actually display high dynamic range video playback. So it's available now for Windows, and that is something new that was not available before. So if you have an HDR display and like to and have HDR videos that you want to play, they will play if you enable this feature in Firefox. The other thing is that they are working hard on making sure that tracking doesn't track you everywhere. So they're saying that they've enabled what's called containers. With containers, you keep separate parts of your browser from snooping on each other by preventing the tracking. So if you have several sites open in the browser, they will not be speaking to each other when you go to a website that tries to track you. Another feature that's interesting is the ability to share tabs. So say you want to share this with somebody, you can right click on the tab, and in the share option, you have generate a QR code. So it shows you the QR code, and you scan it, and you just or copy it or save it and do whatever you want. And of course, you can share pages very easily by doing this. If you use PDFs, now you have the ability to not only read PDFs, you have the ability to add images, you have ability to actually take several PDFs and make one big PDF out of it in the editor. So there's a lot of little things like that within the browser. One of the major things, though, if you're not really interested in new features, is the amount of security updates. 60, more than 60 security updates, a lot of them high severity. So it is important to fix the browser, as this means that you will have a lot of security flaws open if you don't update. So just for that reason, updating to 153 is a pretty good idea. So if you want to see more details about the new features and all, what you could do when you actually go to the update page about Firefox, there's a little what's new right here. You click on that, brings you up all the new features that you want to see. So all the features are here and explained. And they also will be actually giving you the details of the security updates that are available. So all you have to do is just look at the new features, go down to fix various security updates here, and you'll see that you can see all the security flaws that have been fixed in 153. So you can check that out by yourself. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.